Today I will share how to turn this image into professional looking image like this, and next I will share how to make this professional passport size photo and edit it like this, and after that I will share how to add name tag in this photo. So let's start with it. So first I have used this image which I have downloaded from pexels.com, so you can freely download from here. Okay, and next I will come to chatgpt.com and open a free account. Okay, and after that click on create an image, and here I will write make this young man wear a formal shirt for interview with matching tie, and I will just upload the image here which I have downloaded from pexels.com. Okay, so it is getting uploaded. So it is uploaded now. Click on send prompt now. So as you can see, the image is ready. Now I will click on this icon, and next I will click on download. And next I will come to Canva and open another free account here, and here click on custom size and make sure the unit is centimeter. Okay, and the height will be 3.5 and height will be 4.5. Okay, so if you want in millimeter, you can just find that it will be 35 cross 45. Okay, so click on create new design. Okay, now you need to upload this image which you have just created in ChatGPT. Okay, and let's make it bigger. And let's place it here in the middle. Okay, and after that, so the passport image is ready, but as you know, if you want to change it to white color background, you need to click on this icon BG remover. And as you can see, the image is created with white background. And now if you want to change the facial light or some changes like the highlights and the shadows, you can do here by clicking on edit. Next you click on adjust, and after that here increase the brightness. Okay, you can increase the highlights. Okay, like this. Okay, slightly decrease the brightness because it is already light in color, so not much brightness is required. Okay, so you can change everything here like the saturation, the vibrance, whites, blacks, everything you can change if you want to. Okay, now next step comes to add the name tag here, name tag with date. So the date will be the birth date of the person. So the name and the birth date, I am using an imaginary name and birth date. So let's start with it. So I will click on R to activate a square here. Okay, just bring it here, crop it and make it bigger. Okay, and after that make sure it is white in color, because it is required for official documents to make the name tag background white and the writing will be in black. So use text here, click on add a subheading and just bring it here, and here I will write an imaginary name of Matthew Gomes. Okay, so I will write it here. Okay, and after that I will duplicate it to use another text layer, and here I will write the date. So here I will write DOB, which means date of birth, and give a colon symbol. After that I will use the imaginary date, which is 23rd of June 1997. So we are using an imaginary name and birth date. Okay, so let's make it slightly bigger, and here it is ready. So if it looks like it is coming too close, you can just use the letter spacing here, so that the letters are slightly spaced like this, and follow the same for this one also. So this one is also 30. Okay, 37. So both sizes are done here. So this is how you make the passport size photo for you and with the name tag. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.